Hey folks, I am staying at the Country Inn and Suites by Radisson in Altoona, Pennsylvania, and I'm going to do a room tour here.
How you doing tonight?
There we go. So, that's how you get into the place. And now we'll walk around here a bit. Guess I got 2 double beds. There's a TV with some art and nice table. Let's see what the view is. The view is not too bad if you look out. Mostly a parking lot. There's some houses for the view. We've got light. Why is the phone flashing? Okay. And a refrigerator. Coffee pot over there. I guess I didn't get a microwave. And here's got a sink. This hotel used to be, a long time ago, it's part of the convention center now. You got your hangers. Toilet, it's not too bad. Oh, okay, there's the grab bar. I like having grab bars in my shower. And soap. So it looks like it's clean. Has the grab bar, which is important to me. Towels. Oh, in there. The big towels are in there. Let's check the beds out again. I want to see the type of pillows. Pillows look okay, I guess. So this is the room I'll be staying in for a few nights as we tour Altoona. Thank you. Hey, if you need a cane, walker, wheelchair, whatever it might be to help you go places, live your life to the fullest, do what you want. It's not making you handicapped. It's making you handy, capable. And if you would be so kind to check out some other videos, give me that thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Thank you all. Have a great day. God bless.